Hello everyone, I welcome you to this course. I am the instructor of this course. My name is Kripabandhu Ghosh. I am an assistant professor of the Computational and Data Sciences Department at IIACR Kolkata. So this course is about introducing the C programming language, walking you through the basics of the C programming language, and uh, try to train you to write from the scratch some of the modules of uh, data structures, basics of data structures, and some basic algorithms, for example, searching and sorting algorithms. So, as inspired by the famous computer science and engineering departments of some of the leading institutes of our country, we have chosen C programming language because it is widely believed that C programming language has a very good blend of basically low level language features and high level language features. So the purpose of this course is to teach you how to write a, um, a good C program and use it to implement from from the scratch some fundamental algorithms. So this is unlike applications for which some of the popular programming languages, for example Python, are in vogue. For example, um, in Python you can borrow a particular module and use a function, for example sort, to get the job done. However, in this course we will try to teach you how to write a sorting algorithm. In addition, we will introduce you to the notion of how good or bad a particular algorithm is with respect to certain terms and terminologies, for example, time complexity, space complexity, etc. And about the implementation of uh, some of the basic data structures, we will cover stacks, queues, and something very similar to it. So the bottom line is we will first go through the basics of the C programming language. Then we will apply C programming language to solve some data structure and algorithm problems. So, so I, as an instructor, will assume that the student who is going through these lectures has no prior knowledge of basically C programming language and basic data structures and algorithms. So I will first try to walk you through the entire journey of learning this particular programming language, which is called the C programming language. So I will start by teaching how to write and compile and run the first Hello World program using C programming language, and possibly end with slightly advanced functionalities or features, for example, pointers. So again, this is a course primarily aimed at basically the beginners of programming language in general, and also data structures and algorithms. However, for the people who already are well conversant with C programming language and basic data structures and algorithms, this may not be the right course. However, I believe that uh, the students going through this course will find this course useful and informative. So Wish you all the good luck. I hope you will enjoy the course. Thank you very much.